Doors. Closed. Air conditioning packs. Off. Start pressure. 40 psi. Anti-collision lights. On. Cleared for start. Checklist complete. Electrical. Generators on. Pitot heat. On. Air conditioning and pressure. Packs on, flight. Recall. Checked. Start levers. Idle detent. Engineer's clearance. Left side. Taxi clearance. Obtained. After start checklist complete.
Welcome aboard. Before we depart, please remove the safety card from the seat pocket in front of you and follow along as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. We appreciate your complete attention to this important safety information. If you're seated in an exit row, you may be required to assist the crew in an emergency. If you are unable to perform the functions described on the safety card, then please advise the flight attendant for reseating at the end of this video. To fasten your seatbelt low and tight against your lap, insert the metal fitting into the buckle. Tighten the belt by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift up the buckle flap. When the seatbelt sign is illuminated, immediately be seated and buckle up. To ensure your safety, your seatbelt should be fastened at all times when you are seated. There are 2 exit doors in this aircraft. Each exit is marked with a sign overhead. The main doors open by moving the large handle in the direction of the arrow. Open the overwing exits by removing the cover and pulling down on the marked handle. When you are on the ground, move away from the airplane. Look around and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. In some cases, your nearest usable exit may be behind you. In an evacuation, exit path lights will illuminate to guide you to an exit. Your seat bottom cushion can be used for flotation in a water landing. To use, pull the cushion from the seat, put your arms through the straps, and hug the cushion to your chest, as shown on the safety card. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat. To start the flow of oxygen, firmly pull the mask towards you to extend the plastic tubing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Put the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps if necessary. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen will flow to the mask. Secure your mask before helping others and continue using until directed by a crew member. This is a non-smoking airline. The law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Law also requires customers to comply with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. Please ensure your carry-on items and tray tables are stowed. Your seat back is in full upright position, headrest stowed, and your seat belt is securely fastened. Be sure that laptop computers, cell phones, and all personal electronics are turned off and properly stowed. If an emergency evacuation becomes necessary, leave all carry-on items behind. If you have any questions regarding safety, please ask a flight attendant. On behalf of your flight crew, thank you for your attention. It is our pleasure to have you aboard, and we hope you enjoy your flight.
Flight controls. Checked. Flaps. 5. Green light. Rudder, aileron, and stabilizer trim. Set. Cabin door. Locked. Takeoff briefing. Reviewed. Engine start switches. On. Lights, strobes. Inboard. Auto throttle. Armed. Transponder. On. Positive rate. Cabin crew. Start work. Air conditioning and pressure. Checked and set. Engine start switches. Off. Landing gear. Up and off. Flaps. Up, no lights. Altimeters. Set, QNH. APU, as required. After takeoff checklist is complete. Anti-ice, as required. Air conditioning and pressure, set. N1 and IAS bugs, set and checked. Altimeter and instruments, cross-checked. Engine start switches on. Master caution recall checked. Speed brake. Armed green light. Landing gear. Down in 3 green. Flaps. Green light. Landing checklist complete. $400.
Approaching minimums.
300.
Minimums.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we stop at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. We hope your flight was a pleasant one. Thank you for flying with us. We hope to see you again soon.